Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 43 and 44. There, he comes to be united with the knowledge acquired in his former body and strives more than before for perfection, O son of the Kurus.
Chapter 6, Shloka 43. Tatra tam buddhi samyogam labhate paurvadehikam yatate cha tato bhuyah samsiddho kurunandana.
By that very former practice, he is born on and gets attached to the highest in spite of himself. Even he who merely wishes to know yoga goes beyond the Shabd Brahma.
Chapter 6, Shloka 44. Purva vyasena tenaiva hriyate hi avashobishah jignasurapi yogasya shabdha brahmadi vartate.
Chapter 6, Shloka 43 and 44. The birth of the yogi in a conducive environment has been explained. The spiritual progress is now explained in this shloka. Such a yogi doesn't begin his spiritual journey afresh. He starts from where he left in the previous life. For him, it doesn't take long to pick up, as it is merely a recapitulation. The knowledge which is dormant in him comes to the surface along with the enthusiasm and energy for application and progress. Lord says that in the past, fallen from yoga, when born again in the right atmosphere, he strives more than before for perfection. It is the gross body which dies and not the subtle body. So Lord says that by that very same former practice, he is born in spite of himself. The cultural traits of past self-control, study and practice, he instinctively comes to live. The pull is most powerful when arising from his own vasanas. He is drawn towards a life of meditation and quietude, seeking and striving self-control and discipline. Such a yogi goes beyond the charms of the promised fruits of the Vedic rituals. He has no more any fascination for the material wealth and sensuous life due to the former practice of self-control, discipline and meditation. Nothing can dissuade him from the path divine. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.